Secretary Susan Nakhumicha has affirmed that she will not step down despite mounting pressure from various leaders in the country urging her to do so, amidst the ongoing doctors' strike now on its 23rd day. Addressing journalists during a one-day visit to Butere constituency in Shiatala region, Nakhumicha stated that discussions between the government and doctors' union leaders are in progress, with some of the demands being addressed by the government. Brian Mwai with the report.
As the doctor's strike enters its 23rd day today, the situation in hospitals is calling for re-evaluation of the decisions made by both the government and the doctors' union. Nakhumicha says she will not resign, despite calls from leaders to do so, claiming she has failed in her docket.
Mimi niko kazini, I'm working, and I know what I'm doing. So for me, I'll keep working because this government has a plan on matters healthcare. And when you look at the trajectory that the ministry has taken, we are on the right trajectory. We already have new laws in place. We have the level 1 of services already in place, except for this health worker issue that has coming. But I find it as a break for us to stop and look at how we were moving, where there are places that we need to correct. So this is an opportunity to correct what we are doing. So me niko kazi, if anything was to happen, then it can happen, but I am at work.
The other issue is that our waziri here, she's performing. The issue of an MP bringing a motion in parliament to impeach our CS, we shall mobilize our MPs to resist. No one should use the excuse of a strike. A strike is a labor issue, is a labor matter, and the labor matter is being resolved. Don't target Nakhumicha using labor issues.
The issue of impeachment was a funeral declaration, so we are waiting to see if that MP will bring in parliament. But if he brings in parliament, we know that our CS is working hard, and there's no way we are going to allow our fellow MPs to impeach her.
In addition, Nakhumicha has stressed that the implementation of the agreement signed 7 years ago is the responsibility of the central government and the county government, and the central government is ready to perform its duty in ending the strike.
So for me, it's to call upon them that they come to the negotiating table so that we finalize. Because most of the things that they were raising, as national government, we are already meeting them. Payment for postgraduate doctors, that we are doing today. So we'll have paid all the fee arrears. Posting of medical interns, that we are already doing. Now CBA basic salary balances, as national government, we have actually exceeded what they were asking for. We are waiting for county governments to meet their end of the bargain. And some small issues here and there where we have not agreed, I want to believe once we...
At the same time, the clinical officers have called for the resignation of Director General for Health, Dr. Patty Kamoth. Brana Mwai, Look Up TV, Nairobi.
A Congolese